Ayun guys, another Saturday gala. Pupunta kami sa W Palm. Yan, pinapark na lang namin yung sasakyan namin kasi mag-iikot pa kami. So sa hotel pala kami napapunta. Pero yung entrance ng The View Palm dito daw sa may likod. Ito, may mall dito din. Hoy, wag kang magbasa! So hahanap muna kami ng kakainan kasi yung booking namin doon sa The View Palm is 4 o'clock pa. So kakain muna kami. Ayan, gutom na yung mga batot. Iba na yung timpla. Iba na ang iba na yung timpla. So hindi na pala kami makakakain muna. Aakyat na muna kami kasi 4 o'clock ang booking namin. 3:32 na.
Papasok na tayo?
Oo, kasi 4 o'clock.
Family picture daw. Hindi, 12 years old talaga.
12 years old? Okay. Oh, may dadaan.
Ay, dalawa, bilis.
Dali, gilid. General admission ka lang pala. Hindi ka pass. Hindi ka pass. Hindi ka pass food. Madalaw?
In 2001, construction began. The first feature, the outer breakwall. The breakwall stretches 5.3 kilometers east to west and 5 kilometers north to south. The internal palm shape stretches 3.9 kilometers east to west and 4 kilometers north to south. The breakwall runs 11 kilometers and protects the inner elements of the man-made island. 7 million tons of rock was used as the foundations.
Ayan.
120 million tons of sand was brought from the ocean to build the 17 fronds in the shape of a palm. The palm is home to 27 hotels, including the stunning Atlantis the Palm. Palm is connected to Dubai with a 300-meter bridge. This bridge transports over 100,000 cars daily. That is over 1 billion cars a year.
Later you want to come inside next room and have a
The Palm opened in 2006 with a spectacular fireworks display.
Its most recognizable man-made wonders, a technological marvel, Palm Jumeirah has become a symbol of not only Dubai's rich heritage and deep connection to the sea, but a shining beacon of ambition and innovation that can be found in the Arab world. This is the incredible story of how the island that captured the world's imagination rose from the sea. Welcome to the view at the Palm. Monumental feat of engineering and modern technology, it is one of the few islands in the world that can be viewed from space with the naked eye. Today, we welcome you to experience a pioneering symbol of Dubai's transformation into one of the world's most exciting cities. Designed to inspire wonder, this unforgettable, iconic, and awe-inspiring journey brings the story of Palm Jumeirah to life for the first time.
Ang galing.
Ha? Anak, baka maiwan ka.
Next elevator. There is no person.
Oh, anak, gumagana ba to? Hindi.
Makado ng dito.
Left side to eh.
Kaya nga.
Pag nakita mo yung ano, yung Atlantis, ando na gitna.
Pila ba dito?
Hindi, pila, papa-picture. Te, pila yun, papa-picture.
Yan kayong dalawa. Picture lang tayo. Where's the hot air balloon? Right there.
That's the Atlantis na.
Yeah, that's what Go. Yan.
Pabis na. Kasi maut na naman eh. Ayun pala yung picture ng Bulgacharov eh. Nahirapan nyo pa sarili nyo.
Meron kayong dalawa ni RJ. Po kayo dyan, oh. Yay! Po kayo ni RJ. Doon tayo, ano.
Bulgacharov. Ito, pagitan nyo. Ipagitan nyo.
Tapos tayo lahat naman. Tayo dalawa. Yay!
Hintayin mo sila. Nako, idinaan mo pa si Alvin Mel dito.
It smells like food.
The cruise. Alin? Next level? Anong level? 54? Hanggang dito lang tayo eh.
So yun na guys, nakababa na kami. So time to ano na, lunch time.
This to receive abortion.
Lunch time.
Lunch time pa lang kami. 4:41 lunch. Oy. Okay.
Fasting yan, Abby.
Thank you guys for watching. Ajay.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching. Kaya na, dito kami kakain sa ano. Mac. Wala ka in order. Si RJ.
Kanin tayo, si Kuya.